back home tomorrow, and you will remain here as positive people, embracing the Western culture. Around is agriculture. Agriculture 2020 we have about 2 lakh population in of Poumai. The population explosive this how you increase in village fighting increases and you don't want to go back to the time of head hunting. This is a education here. Education first president Uncle Haba, he was a student.
I am extremely astounded by the quality of debate that we had. Congratulations to all the debaters. You have done exceedingly well and beyond expectations. As the speaker of this debate, I'd like to give some few observations. I will not be dwelling on the topic, but just the general observation on the debate. First, I want all the debaters to know, and everyone present here to know, that a debate competition is not any other speech competition. It is not elocution. So you have to be at your assertive best when you stand up on the dais and deliver your speech. Second, decorum. There are different types of debating, and I speak from the little knowledge that I have when it comes to debating. In policy debating, you need not waste your time addressing anybody except the speaker and your opponent at the most. You have to remember that you are in the parliament or in the assembly, and you have to act accordingly. Third, the one thing that I've found is the lack of understanding of the topic, which I'm generalizing it, not to particularize any of the debaters. If you are here on the dais to deliver a debating speech, you have to be absolutely clear, crystal clear about the topic that you are speaking, whether you are speaking for or against, and deliver your speech accordingly. That's it from my side. Pola ni sule disoy ani taila hava ni I pola pa bale disoy da bikin oh ni to ni ko khala malage sola ni so bre ma khai po choluza we'll have the critique from one of our esteemed judges, Sir Dilord Pau. But before that, I'd like to give the time to our moderator for some introduction and presentation. Thank you.
Hello. Thank you so much. Chu the organizing committee ala executive council vi citing introduction presentation at chudili faces ole jida vi PNTM vi motto nu labor and honor where we have to acknowledge a person who has labored to taubisima tore acknowledge ole tinu right khana. I would like to give a small token of love and appreciation on behalf of executive council as well as the organizing committee to our speaker, Mr. Supunu NG Philo. He the speaker. So debate vihi jacha pia buju speaker. What are you doing presentation? Mr. Supunu, speaker. Debate competition with speaker. Next, we have Sir Dilord Pau. Supunu now at present he is the Assistant General Secretary of Naga Student Federation. Next, we have Sir Dilord Pau. Sir Dilord Pau also former PNUV General Secretary ala PNTM. He was also an active student activist. Zaujita vi debate competition he jachu pia boy Sir Dilord Pau. Next, we have R.L. Thomas, who was also the former Executive Council of PNTM, as well as the tribunal member of PNTM, Poumai Nagatsu the maybe student activist Alisa Prai. Aranavi Tainer he was also the tribunal member of Poumai Nagatsu the Mame. Poumai Got Talent Viha Chunupila, Mr. Samuel Maiba. Mr. Samuel Maiba, Poumai Got Talent Vi Hamadona Jatsipile. Thank you, sir. Next, we also have Solomon Zhao. Samuel Hanara, he is a media fraternity. Next, we have Solomon Zhao. Zida we Poumai Got Talent. Solomon Zhao Hanara. Robima, at present, he is the coordinator. Thank you, sir. Jikole presentation here, Ali Mr. Please, I hope you won't mind. Mr. Dale, who was also the judge for the PNTM Executive Council. I hope sir will not mind. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Dominic. Cholo sir dialogue itule po iniwe critique itule.
Thank you for the platform. Critics decay. We usually take it very, very negative. But in whatever we do, we need analysis. Savanu, analysis darkawe. Ito negative show up by critical assessment utility. But to any achievement, we need that. Usually, debaters la pomovi point hanu maybe against data there are oftentimes many of them. But today we are marching forward. We have debaters who have their own points, who are well versed of what they are saying. And it is a sign of advancement, I should say. Debaters, nimito point assert sulu. Stand on your point. Maybe point dagini shilega da danu. Maybe point policy debaters mentally. Hana susu. People don't wait for that. People are waiting for your positive sign. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We have formally come to the close of the debate competition on the topic, the influence of Western culture is an infringement of our traditional values and cultures. I'd like to appeal to the gathering to give a huge round of applause to all the debaters and to the panel of judges, please. Thank you, and debaters may leave your seat. Thank you.
A quick announcement, Regina H. and Vico S. Poumai. Regina H. and Vico S. Poumai. If you can hear me, could you please come backstage? If you could hear me, could you please come backstage? We've got Regina H. and Vico S. Poumai. If you can hear me, please come backstage. You're required and needed here. Thank you. All right, all right, all right. How's everyone feeling now? Was that not exciting? I'm sure everybody's seated there, thinking, who is this guy who is now on the phone, on on the microphone now? By the way, and thank you very much once again for also to the program committee for inviting me as well. I would like to, by the way, because the debate was awesome, wasn't it? Don't you think it was really great? I wasn't expecting that. I definitely was not expecting that to be that engaging, actually. So for them and for all the participants and for yourself as well for actually being seated here and listening to it, I think we deserve a round of applause, right? We can make it loud, right? We can start down from here and let's go up. Everyone at the back as well, people on the right, people on the left. Can we still just do a big round of applause for them once again, please? Round of applause for the crowd, for yourself and for the participants and everyone who took part in it. So thank you very much. Well, without further ado, while we're waiting for the stage to be set, what we're going to do is the next program that's coming up is an extempore speech. Like how the debate was, I'm sure it's going to be as exciting as it. And again, thank you for your participation. Everyone's been sitting down for a while. I think you're feeling rather cold. Are we feeling cold? Yes? Yes? All right, can we please stand? So what we're going to do is we're going to play a small game, right? So how we do this game is, and I'm sure everybody understands English. I hope you don't mind me speaking in English. Is that okay? Yes? All right, thank you. So what we're going to do is we follow a command. I'm going to give you two commands. Very simply. One is you're standing now. The other one is to sit. All right? So stand and sit, that's it, as simple as that. So you can be seated now, thank you. So what we do is, thank you, so everybody's listening to that, that's amazing. When I say stand, then we all stand. When I say sit, and we all sit. We'll continue that for some time, okay, until I say stop. So shall we get started? All right, on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, stand. Oh yeah, sit, stand. I don't see some of them standing out there. I can see you. Sit. Stand, please. And I don't see the folks in front here. Is that Adda Dasher? Guys? Okay, stand and sit, please. Okay. Sit, sit, sit. Sit, please. Sit, sit, sit. We'll do it once again, all together. Stand. Sit. Thank you. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the command, okay? When I say stand, you have to sit. When I say sit, you have to stand. Is that all right? Okay, opposite of that. So we're going to do the opposite of that. Sit. Sit. Oh, okay. Stand. Stand. Continue standing, please. Sit. Sit. Stand, please. Sit. Amazing, great, great, great. Thank you very much. That was amazing. I know we could do it a little faster as well, but I think we're good on that. Thank you. Yes. While we wait on, please be seated. I think we're just about to get started with the next one. Thank you. All right, so I would like to invite the judges, also the speaker, and the extempore participants to please come up on stage. The seats are prepared, and if we could please come up. If you're ready. We have the same judges and also the same speaker. So if you're ready, invite you to please come up on stage. Stage is all yours. Okay, so while we wait for them to come up on stage, how about a bit of a dance then? Do we like dancing? Yes. Folks out there, I can hear you saying it. Do you like dancing? All right, I'm sure you must be familiar with a very simple nursery kind of a dance step. It's called peel banana. Have you heard of it? No? Nobody's heard of peel banana dance? All right, I'm going to show it to you. So I'm just going to use one of my hands here because I'm holding the microphone like this. And in the meantime, while we're dancing, folks, if we could, participants, if you could please come up on stage. And I would need every one of us to stand to do this dance, by the way, again. If you don't mind, please. Thank you very much. That's amazing. I see, please, everyone, please stand. Thank you. Okay, so you need your hands free, by the way. So what do you do, by the way? In the first place, if you've got a banana, what do? You first peel it, right? You peel a banana first. You peel a banana, and then after that, you chop a banana. Okay, you chop a banana. After chopping a banana, what do? You put it in a mixer and you shake it, right? And then after that, what do? You drink it. Do you remember that? Can we remember that? Okay, I'll show it to you. First, it goes like this. Peel banana, peel banana, peel banana, peel banana. And then after that, we go chop banana, chop banana, chop banana, chop banana. And then what do? Shake banana, shake banana, shake banana, shake banana, and then drink banana. Simple as that. Can we follow that? We see it? Okay. Everyone's participation, please. Are we all ready? All right. We can be louder than that. It is PNTM student conference. We are louder than that. We just got our energy from dinner before, just a while back. So are we ready? Oh yeah, that sounds much better. So we get started. Everybody sing along with me. Peel banana, peel banana, chop banana, chop banana. What do you go? Shake banana, shake banana, drink banana, drink banana. All right, thank you. You guys are awesome for participating in that dance routine right there. So please be seated, please. Thank you. I hope you're feeling a little warmer now. Okay. All right. Participants for the extempore speech, please come up on stage. Participants for the extempore speech, please come up on stage. All right, in the meantime, while we're waiting for this, anyone who would like to come up and sing for us or dance for us, you're welcome to do so. Poumai artists, for example, you are wondrous, melodic. If you're ready, if you want to present a song for us, it will be amazing. It will just be a couple of minutes. I think we've got some singers coming up. Thank you. Announcement, if anyone's lost an iPhone, If anyone's lost an iPhone, we found an iPhone. You can come and collect it from the stage. We're at the table here. Anyone who has lost an iPhone can come up on stage. We found an iPhone. Also, we've got the minister who's about to grace our occasion tonight. The minister is on his way. He's just about to reach. Folks who are outside, people who are outside, if you could please come inside the hall. We'll just wait for the minister to arrive, and after which we'll continue with the program. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello. Check. Hello, hello.
The land I love.
Check.
Poumai.
Hello, good evening once again. Are you all feeling cold? I'm sure you do. I'm really feeling cold, but here is one big thing that will all warm you up. I've got a very, very good news for you right now. And today we Thank you for indulging me. Today we are very, very happy. Like I said in the morning, it was a very beautiful day. And this beautiful day has been enriched once more by the presence of our chief guest, Sri T.H. Shamkumar, the Honorable Minister, Mahut, Town Planning, Forest and Environment, Horticulture and Soil Conservation of the Government of Manipur. Let's all rise from our seat and give him a standing ovation. Let's make our noise. Let's give him a big hand of applause as a welcome for his gracious presence in our midst today. And like the singers who just sang the beautiful Poumai theme song, you may please take your seat. Like the theme song goes, the Poumai TD, the land inhabited by the Poumais are surrounded by the beautiful mountains, the green mountains, and the free-flowing streams with beautiful people. And I've been to many, many places, but I have never seen a place more beautiful than the Poumai TD. That was the song, and we are really, really honored and privileged and blessed to be welcoming our special guest, the chief guest who was supposed to come in the morning, but due to unavoidable circumstances, and we understand the busy schedules that a person like our chief guest has to undergo every single day. And it is our utmost gratitude to extend to him for bearing all these troubles and traveling far from Imphal to our place. Although it is very cold and although it is late in the evening, we are truly, truly grateful. And the only thing that remains in our heart and mind today is we only wish that we have a better word than thank you to say thank you to you. But since our human language only limits us to that word, we say thank you to you, dear sir. But it is really, really from deep inside our hearts. So thank you very much for being with us here today, and we warmly welcome you into our midst. And as we all know, many of us, most of us in fact, must have known him. He is a very honorable minister in the government of Manipur, who was also our chief guest and guest in different occasions, in the previous occasions. And because he have a beautiful heart, he always remembers the Poumai, especially the programs organized by the PNTMD. And today he has come into our midst with his genuine love for us, and we say a big thank you to him. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us give him a big round of applause. And because of his special arrival, we have a special session, and you will not regret remaining here in the hall for the rest of today's program. So I request everyone to be in the hall, and I request the people outside and in and around the campus of the conference hall to be inside the hall for this remaining session. In the first place, we shall have a welcome note and presentation by the president of the Poumai Naga Tsudumai Me. So therefore, I invite Mr. Isaac Tauvene to take the stage for the presentation and the welcome note. Thank you very much.
Once again, hello, good evening, Poumai. Wishoju koke Poumai tini sernube. The weather outside might be cold, but by the presence of our most awaited, the most honorable, the presence of our minister, bring the warmest and the sparkling of hearts among the youths, among the students, among the parents, and among the villagers. Our minister need not further to introduce. He is a man of words. He is one of the most influential among the ministers, among the politicians. He is a prayerful minister who always loved the church, the people. He never distinguished between any community. Our prayers have been heard in the morning when we start our environmental session started. When the computer says, due to the unavoidable and the busy schedule of our minister, he could not able to come. Everybody seems to be so gloomy. But now, at this moment, though it is dark outside, we feel the light inside. We feel the light and the happiest moment that we bring by the presence of our sir. Our minister, who always loved the people, especially the tribals, who always carry a simple words but a very influential one. When he speak, though it may be very short, but he speaks truth from the heart, and he do what he says. And what he says, it is so meaningful and so powerful. You know, when we approach to our minister to be our chief guest as an environmental session, without further delay and without spending much of his time, he agreed on our first approach. Thank you so much, sir. We, PNTM, will always be grateful to you, and we will always support you in our prayers, morally, and whenever needed in physically. Whenever we come to our minister, he gives always priority to us as a student body, because he loved the youth, he loved the students community, he loved the tribals. So whenever we PNTM, we have approached him, the day we deliver our program, the day we come and approach to be a chief guest, he always welcome us. Not only that, on the day of approaching the chief guest, without our approach, our minister has, with a grateful heart, he has offered us a trip to Zuku Valley. So, 27 of our PNTM team have went to Zuku Valley with a team that we have to conserve our forests, we have to make beautify of our forests, and for the ecological balance. Our minister has sponsored everything, the traveling expenses, whatever beyond, and we express our grateful gratitude to sir. Once again, he's a man of dignity, a man of words. So, it is none other than our minister, Sri T. Shyamkumar, Honorable Minister Mahut, Town Planning, Forest and Environment, Horticulture, and Soil Conservation, Government of Manipur. Thank you so much, sir, for your presence. Sir, as a token of appreciation that you have sacrificed for our people, your love for our people, we would like to greet you with a small token of appreciation and as a remembrance for this conference. Please come forward and accept a small token of our love and gratitude. Audience, please put the hand for our minister. To do the honor, I would like to call our brother Daniel, the convener of our conference, to do the honor.
你学的蛮是把跑步一定里跑跑被找了来，一到不么为扎水，一到不么为 interest 那个，一到什么为呢？是我不理解那蛮是pom吃为。
Thank you, sir. Though it's just a small token, but we, the PNTM, the Poumai, give you as a token with full of love, care and prayer, and above all, that we will continue to support you through our prayers. Next, I would like to call upon Sri N. Tweba, advisor to our minister. Sir, please come to the stage and receive as a token of appreciation and remembrance to our conference. Sri N. Tweba, advisor to our minister. Next, I think he must have gone outside. Next, I would like to call Sri Luni Justin, who is always a backbone to our PNTM, an advisor, an elderly person whom we can approach anytime to seek advice, to seek his help. He is always there for us. That we will never forget his contribution towards the success, even for the success of this conference 2020. Thank you, sir. Next, may I also call our Honorable ADC, Teko Peter, for his presence. Sir, we greatly and gratefully welcome you. Please come and receive a token of appreciation. Sri Teko Peter, Honorable ADC members and deputy.
Masunu valley ma, Jim Jane, ni mai to ba va ki phala ba pa boy chalo lai.
Okay. Sri N. Tweba, advisor to our minister, please kindly come and receive a token of remembrance for this conference. Next, once again, I call Sri Teko Peter, ADC member Sanapati. Sir Teko Peter, ADC member. He is also the president for BJP, Sanapati Morcha, ST. And he is generously contributed to us for the success of this conference as silver patron. For that, the patron, we will do the honor tomorrow. Next, may I also call Sri Luna Andrew, social worker. He is always there. He is the image of our Poumai. Because of him, we get the identity of Poumai today. We are so proud to have you here. A person who brings identity of our Poumai tribe get recognized by this mighty man. Next, may I also call our brother Savio. He is still very young, dynamic, generous secretary BJP, Manipur, Jova Morcha, Youth Win. Next, we have Amarjit, PSO to our minister. Once again, thank you so much. Lastly, and not the least, we would like to call our Pamota Block SDO, Mr. Adaha Mahio. Please kindly receive a token of our love for your presence. Once again, thank you so much. Despite of cold, despite of late, you all are here for the love of our PNTM. Thank you. Koktali.
Thank you very much, Mr. Isaac Tavener, President PNTM, for delivering the welcome note and making the presentation. And we thank our chief guest in a very special way. He is so humble and a person who lives a common man's life. And he has humbly accepted our gift, although it is a small one, as compared to the trouble he had taken to be with us today. But dear sir, I hope you will not mind when you understand this. The gifts that we have just gifted you is only for those persons whom we really respect and love, and for those persons who we take as one of our people. And therefore, it is of great value to us and to our culture. And we thank you very much for the humble acceptance that you have made to the humble gift. And we also thank the dignitaries and other officials for graciously accepting the small token of appreciation that we have extended to them. And moving on with this session, we now have the privilege to invite the Poumai artists to be on the stage. They will be performing a melodious song to us once again, and therefore I request and invite the Poumai artist on the stage. Thank you.
Hello, hello, check. Hello, hello, check. Hello, check.
Hello, check. Hello, check.
Hello, hello, check. Hello, hello, check. Hello,
Hello, check. Hello, check.
hello,
check.
hello, check.
Hello, check.
Hello, check.
Hello, hello.
Hello, check. Hello, check. Please turn up little bit volume. Hello, check.
Hello.
Hello, check. Check. Hello, check.
Hello, check.
Hello, hello.
Check. Hello, check. Hello, check.
Hello, check. Hello, check.
Hello, check.
Hello.
Low check.
Hello, hello, check.
There comes a time when we hit a certain call, when the world must come together as one. When it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all.
We can go on pretending day by day
Let someone somehow soon make a change. We are all the part of God's great big family, and the truth, you know, love is all we need. We are the world, we are the children, we are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true to make a better day, just you and me. So they know that someone cares.
so the price for half not be paid.
We can let them suffer. No, we cannot turn away. No similar. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's a choice to make it. We're saving our own lives.
It's true, we make a better day, just you and me.
When you're down and out, there seems no hope at all.
But if we just believe, there's nowhere we can fall.
Well, let us realize that a change can only come when we stand together as one. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. Better start giving. Some choice to make it. We're saving our own lives. It's true to make a better day, just you and me. We are the world. We are the world. We are the children. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving.
There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me.
We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving.
Better start giving.
It's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true, we make a better day, just you and me. We are the world. We are the children.
We are the children.
We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving.
Let's start giving.
It's a choice we're making.
We're saving you and me. We all need somebody that we can lean on. When you wake up and look around and see that your dream's gone. When the earthquakes will happen, make it through the storm. When the floor breaks and magic up and stand on. We are the world, united but love so strong. When the radio isn't on, you can hear the song. It got the light on the dark road to walking on. A signpost to find the dreams you thought was gone. Someone to help you move the obstacles you stumbled on. Someone to help you rebuild after the rock was gone. We are the world connected by a common bond. Love, the whole planet singing along. We are the world. We are the world. We are the children. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. That's our choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true to make a better day. Just you and me. Everyday citizens, everybody we are the world. We are the world. We are the children. We are the children. So let's start giving. That's our choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true to make a better day, just you and me. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's a choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true to make a better day, just you and me.
Words that cannot be expressed are put into songs. And therefore singers are messengers who delivers messages that speakers find hard to do. And this song in particular rhymes comfortably with all the speeches and topics and speeches that has been delivered to us so far. Because it is all about making a better place for you and me. Thank you so much, Poumai artists, for the beautiful, meaningful, and melodious song. And moving on to the next item we have for this session, we have a memorandum which will be delivered by the Kola committee. And therefore, I request the person concerned to take the stage. Thank you.
Thank you, moderator, for the time of small presentation to our Sir Sri T.H. Shamkumar, Honorable Minister, MAHUD, Town Planning, Forest and Environment, Horticulture and Social Conservation, Government of Manipur. Sir, we are very fortunate to have you in our midst today. So, we as a SAISU, that is Suriname Youth and Student Union, would like to show our love and appreciation for your kind presence in our midst today. So, please do come forward and receive a small token of love from Suriname Youth and Student Union. So, sir, please do come forward and receive our gift.
Folks, we can make the applause louder, right? Come on, let's make it a little more louder. Thank you. Let's show our appreciation, how much we like and love this moment. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next, we have our advisor to our Sri T.H. Sham Kumar. Please do come forward. Advisor to T.H. Sham Kumar. And next, we have son of Sri T.H. Sham Kumar. Son of T.H. Sham Kumar. Okay, then thank you for the time.
Now will be the submission of memorandum to Sri T.H. Shankumar, Honorable Minister of Mahut, Town Planning, Forest and Environment, Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Government of Manipur, from Samai Youth and Students Union, Saisu, dated 14th January 2020, subject request for construction of a convention hall and an office. Respected sir, we are extremely honored and privileged to have you as a chief guest of the 44th Poumai Naga Tsudumai Me Conference 2020. Environmental session. Samai Sernamai is the oldest village of the Poumai Nagas, and Saisu Samai Youth and Student Union is the apex body constituting of Samai, oldest village of the Poumai Nagas, and Saisu Samai is the apex body constituting of Samai, Samai Kaiko, Samai Rakuto. On such a farewell day, we as the host union seeks your goodwill and magnanimity to construct a convention hall and an office for Saisu. Social welfare and change is a collective effort, and youth and students today are the backbone and potential for tomorrow. Therefore, inculcating and investing in their growth is a must. Saisu today has youth, members of above 400 to 500 individuals. However, to run the union effectively without proper infrastructure and office has proved to be a daunting task. As GBM meetings, culture, conclave, and any other education-related programs cannot be materialized without basic amenities such as halls and offices. Also, for the filing storing, and archiving of documents, an office has become a bare minimum requirement. To ensure good cooperation and understanding, dialogue, and a discussion of each members are necessary components. A hall and an office will give us such platform and space to come together and share our dreams and ideas for social development. Indeed, sir, it will be a big step forward for us in striving and building a better future tomorrow or together. We always appreciate your concern for social growth and your contribution for the same. We pray and believe that we will extend our generous hand and fulfill our request of constructing a hall and office at the earliest. Thanking you in anticipation, yours faithfully, SAISU President Sapu Hobson, SAISU Secretary Ngopuno Pano, and Memorandum read by Pano Seba. Thank you so much.
We thank the SAISO and the Kola Committee for delivering the memorandum, and I'm sure and I believe that all the statements made are duly noted by our Honorable Chief Guest. And now moving on to the next, we have come to the main event of this session, and something that we have been waiting since the morning. And I'm sure you like surprises, because surprises makes our life more exciting and interesting. And therefore, this is something that we did not expect of anyone, but the coming of our chief guest, in spite of the cold and in spite of the late timing, has been a gracious and a big blessing to us. And therefore, may I take this blessed moment to invite our chief guest to the stage. Sir, please. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the man who has genuinely and lovingly come to be with us today despite all the troubles he had to undergo. So let's give him a big hand of applause.
Good evening all, and also I wish a happy New Year 2020. 44 Poumai Naga Student Union gi Sumba Conference Asika Hautopo Numinasita. I supposed to be in the morning, but my heart and soul already visited in this place. But my body could not stay there at home. But if late, though I am coming here. No? Hawaii decide kre, haksang decide kre, ado body soldi, ado haksang ale hoba. Latiam laning ba, ado besagi ay case some ba, Supreme Court. But a man or woman without case, his or her life is not perfect. Ado na koi mi kudi magsi, struggle kudi magsi thengna gadabani. Yes. We are the human beings, with all Christian. We don't need to fear anything. But we need to do more good things. This is ours. And objects for the all Christians, whether Catholic, whether Baptist, and whether any denomination. I don't know. I should mix of some hijack. Some grantoroga. Say you environment session do Pazana koi Pangtoe, Pangtoki Pautai. Ado ngasi di Manipur si ako'y na yam taray lobo yaban nati. Ako'y na kanangom na kalambay ay Sinapati districts Poumai area, Mau area, Maram area, or Tamelong area, or Ukrul area. Magi district laiba hills. Magi mayam singasi. Sida Pajana Nintina environment control taudraba. In the valley area, we cannot get water there. Plus in the hill area, in place in the own district also, you cannot get the water also. You cannot live safely. We cannot live safely. Aduna sumba si akoina environment yam nangnaba mariyam leiba. Aduna ngasigi youth ki sumba 78 village ki participant tauba Poumai gi sumba conference adik mati important loy. Aduna sumba important loy bagi thoramasida respected DC Mr. Tiso Morjit also here. Thank you very much. Thagaseri mafamza lerambagi eduga. Honorable ADC member, the honorable ADC member High Court Peter from Liai Kulen, and this an honorable ADC member from this village. He was my student when I was teaching there at the St. Xavier School, Tungzoi, in 1990. Aduna, Chidama Leramba Aduga, all the this one invitees, dignitaries, whom I not mention their names. Puna mo ikai kun busari. Aduna koi yam nungai. Manipur je mujikti amonom daharaga. Aduga mati nungai. Koi ki sarana mai de sakani hai bagi akibalaiti. Adom infan dilak posi pung taruka milita da lakone. Siyo wada pung ani ka something sang 2 hours some 10 minutes to reach this place. Lakpo yam nungai badu. Adagi susal muchala su nungai. Taminong chala su nungai. Adagi any valley area in this district sapakasu nungai. Nungai si kari kan mi si gyan taminarap. Aduna koi ujikti koi yam sakale mi si adagi matik develop tawe ngasi di science and technology develop tawe sakale. Adu akoi na akoi environment budi akoi na masi nomo magi decline ta hole mi bena. Yes, everything developing now. But we are cutting, felling, killing wildlife, wild animals, and we are destroying the jungle. Aduna si apabe kutam nati aduna. Yes, uyanda de koisu leibi usu yanga da bane. Akoi no je ngasai da koi na siasuna koi sana my student union na want to give my people kanda ok masa ampi ok masa. Yes, adugi ok masa duga. Zanganda lay basaduga ani the cook to ganda which is open how we hang never is one of the pee to eat or put quite the yell pire nanu pire nga pire san pire loy the pire quite a quinamu wildlife while enemies and see hanak sabagi artillery have neither. With all human beings thinking that if some bird is lying on the road, immediately we are thinking we want to take out one stone and try to kill the bird. It is not perfect mild. Adam Poumai loy magsi siat mang jege akoi si environment kan mangam moy. Please forget to think about hunting, to kill the wild animals and wildlife, wild birds. Aduna aina mo haida ko sila myamji Poumai student gi ngi myamji loy na ba laila su haida bang agtani akoy na MLA minister we jadaga so they are more expert than me. They know how to conserve, preserve environment and nature sila khanga baneba aduna ngasi je dum nung sino ay myamji ingmuji ingna myam sum leramba ada Poumai gi sumba conference after 1 decade say tara ma thoi to kan pang thoi hai yam tam very rare way ba this was very meaningful ngai sa samba isai zo 13 singer man sa amba yam pa sa mo isai sa ka da wakhan ga ji ing ga ji gon aing risa kare ba wakhan dum ngai bai tare aduna isai sa pa me am so thank you those singer different villages selected singer thank you for you also. Aduna akoi bioi bena hingda kari kari change have the koina. Yes, ako human beings ne. Sometimes ako enjoy tawni, nungai gani, ngao gani. Don't forget Bible. Don't try to escape from the church. Adna koi church taki lathoke khalaba. Adagi Bible is what is written in the Bible. If you don't read, if you don't follow, then we are not human beings, we are not Christians. I isi kanana masak kangan ge haidagadi. I give pasabasak, my beautiful face, your beautiful face. Cannot this one show you your heart in the peoples of our universe. Your truth faith, your characters, your discipline. Other than sakta bangam kaneba. I see Catholic ne, or I Baptist ne, or I any denomination haibadi. I get dharma se masa khangaba. Catholic ki dharma masa khangaba, Baptist na Baptist ki masa khangaba, Hindu ki masa khangaba. If they know their own religions, they will love each other. Masaki dharma masa khangdradi, they cannot love each other. Sine koi nga sisi koi na thengnari ba awabas. Adna yam nungai, ay yam sang nazu koi ngang or ge hayengzu oneban diko, my friend on the minister also will be coming. Nasigi kenogi saisuna pirakpa one memorandum. So you are given this one construction request construction of the one convention hall and an office. Yes, I have no such scheme to provide you, but I will help you. Kamay nang tawag dagat ng sagi, sida ina ay department dagi kayo the program ko hapan. Let's work together. I also will join to work together with you. That we get some money. That money we can construct there what you want. So we'll mass tree plantation. Plus I will construct some market from my department. We'll work together. I also will join to work with you. Ado rin ko isabang ang ganyan. Ado na si Masoy tauge. Ado ko loyan na sige 1990 da when I was there in the Saint Xavier School. Tungjoy dila kanda. Poumai jati gi nungsiba discipline taksi kasi kusibo mangdi. Poumai jati tongan ba tribal singi manungda discipline laiba hagi bo ngakpa aduga patana mibu nungsiba nga majati makalamane adugi damakta thagale na aisu 1990 da laiba kanda I learned many things from this Poumai community. Aina Poumai da leiramdraba tungjoy leiramdraba ay minister su leiramdraba yae. Ado na sila kanda I learned many things. Ado matangi conference ta don't forget to invite me. Whether I'm in the minister, whether I do the MLA, whether I do the stop the politics. So your conference is organized after that one ticket, I think so. So this one, I will have some money to make it shorter, no? I'll give some money, don't worry. So I'll consult with the office bureau of this one, Poumai Student Union. I don't want to announce here, but for this, your conference, I'll give 1 lakh now. Please come and collect one of this one organizing secretary president. And there is one beautiful Poumai contest, Miss contest. I think I had that, it will be tomorrow. Hayang lay man do, kwai masak pazabado, that price I want to give. Because I am very ugly, but I want to see that beautiful Poumai girls. Because this one, please come. This is 1 lakh. This one for the your this one conference, and for the Miss Poumai. Then I will remove this money from my heart. Aduna koi nungsiba haibasit laitragadi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯗ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ now this one America is superpower America cannot make our Zuccotville with their money America cannot make Loktak Lakes America cannot make Siroi Lily paisa na punok siyamba yade nungsiba thamoy na wag siyamba ngaktan and let's love each other don't forget your religion your culture your tradition koi for paran thamma culture do mang raga de koi loi mang ra nungsi na mangam moy aduna koi ngasi di Christian dharma chale haidana so akoi gi custom traditions for father na chalam ba character discipline amado madu please preserve conserve and also this one please save the environment thank you all don't forget to invite next convention
Every time our minister come up on the stage and delivers a speech, his sense of humor is refined than the previous time. So it was a very enriching, thought-provoking speech by our chief guest. We thank our chief guest for the beautiful speech. We thank him for his promises that he has made to the PNTMD and the Poumai village. And there, sir, we will pray for you that God may help you to accomplish all the promises that you have made to us today. And we also thank you for the great generosity that you have extended to us today. And for the same, we will also extend our sincere prayers that God may grant you 100-fold. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a big round of applause once more. Thank you very much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, sir, for your beautiful time. And we sincerely apologize for all the inconveniences and burdens that you have to undertake to be with us here today. And for this, may God bless you with great strength to carry out the missions that you want to do every single day. Thank you so much. And guess what? I have another great news just whispered into my ear by the president. The chief guest has generously given a sum of rupees 30,000. Guess to who? The Poumai artist who just sang the beautiful song. Therefore, let us give a round of big applause. Everybody, please. Yeah, kindly the band may stand up and show their face, and you can receive the cash from our chief guest. Ladies and gentlemen, we are having a great time with our great minister, and we thank the Almighty for this beautiful person in our midst today. And let us make sure that we support him with our sincere prayers and our hard work.
I ngasai isai sakpasing do isa do pigi na dum kuta pasal laga dum kauram maba sagi moi isai do I want to hear more no I want to listen. Thank you, sir.
Okay, we are going to sing. The artist will be performing the melodious song, The Land We Love, once more. And this is especially dedicated to our chief guests. Let's give them a big round of applause. Thank you.
Hello, hello, check.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
That was the Poumai theme song, The Land I Love, performed by various artists coming from different edges of the Poumai land. And we are truly grateful to them for taking the trouble, practicing and organizing, coordinating the theme for the beauty of this conference. Thank you so much. Let's give them another round of applause. With this, we have come to the end of this mini session, and the rest of the session will continue as per the schedule. And to end with, I sincerely thank our chief guest, Sri Shyam Kumar, and his colleagues for being present with us today. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. And Mr. Jimmy will take up the remaining session. Thank you.
Okay, all right, everyone, thank you once again, dignitaries, our chief guest, also once again for bearing with us too. Understandably, of course, such matters or such situation happens, so thank you again for bearing with us. Also, our chief guest who's taken his time out to actually visit us, grace us, and done so wonderfully, actually, by contributing and actually appreciating us being here. Once again, thank you, every one of us here. We are just about to end the night, but we've still got 2 more to go. And with this happening, of course, it's been delayed a little. But once again, I really, really thank you from the bottom of my heart for being here still with us. I know, would you like to do a bit of a jiggle once again while we wait? I know. It's all good. We're going to complete the program. So please, for extempore speech, an extempore competition, please, I would like to request everyone to please come up on stage. The participants, the judges, if you're still here, of course you are, I can see them. I would like to request you to please hurry up a little so that we can continue with the flow on this one. Now, we have the participants too here. Okay, thank you folks. Okay, really appreciate you, everyone still here, been here. I know it's a little late into the night, but who are we? Poumai students, Poumai communities, and we're understanding, of course, at least, and also, very importantly, extempore, again, once again, has to be a basis of us understanding one another as well, because you are put in a situation at all times where you have to be on your feet to talk, to speak, to be creative, to be able to speak on varied subjects, right? So I know it's a little late in the night once again, but thank you for everyone's participation. I'd like to request everyone to join us, people who are outside, and it will just be for a few moments only. Please join us, and we'll now start the competition too. Thank you. Judges, if you can hear me. Judges. Hello. Judges, Dalot Pao, former General Secretary, Naga People's Organization, R.L. Thomas, lecturer, Purul Government Higher Secondary School, Dalit Thoro, Research Scholar, Secretary Assembly Affairs, PNTM. And also the same speaker, of course, we've got Shupune NG Philo, Joint Secretary NSF. Judges, if you're ready. Judges, if you're ready.
Okay, we'll try to push this as soon as possible, without much delay. One thing to all the participants, we will not be calling out your serial numbers. So, one after the other, please come and take your time. I hope you're all aware of your serial number, right? Okay. As for the criteria for judging, all the judges will be judging on 3 basic criteria. First is the presence of mind. Second is presentation. And third is relevance to the topic that you have chosen. So we'll be judging only on these 3 criteria. I don't think anyone will be there, so you just pick the topic that you're supposed to be speaking from there on the table and then come and deliver a speech. Each one of the speakers will get 3 minutes each. 2.5 minutes, you'll get the first tapping, which is the warning tapping, and then after which your time ends there. And to cut everything short, please make sure that you don't say anything, not even a single word after the second tapping. Thank you.
Okay, we're going to get started with the extempore speech. The first one that we have, now the topic is dignity of labor. Dignity of labor is the topic for extempore. We've got 3 minutes, and you can introduce yourself and get started. Volunteers, if you can hear me, volunteers, if you can please come up on stage and remove the mics. The mic stands here. Volunteers, if you can hear me, please come up on stage and remove the mic stands, please. Thank you.
Respected judges and everyone present here, Chu inipu paloji topic hai dignity of labor. Vasuju highway divini pole topic hana hai inin sepa sujo topic alie. Desuni tiluz pomahasuni vasoluni pomahasuni kituluju tiju highway shoy. Goju ma ali hai tek haitilem wa vat butarli ve ma vatarli so ma Poumai ni labai tawdini vasure tiluz shitho vai hai shibela va hana hai shi tiju hai va vai shini vai khaidi bera Poumai ni labai tawdini vasure ti cause Poumai hamahi va vai so bela tiju hai pauni be 대반이 다벨로브주 마할레니 고뉴니 와수 like Poumai that payba loni vaso like easy way of living hana pole moke Poumai day Poumai we so veluredoni alera Poumai hamai valoredoni ko univaso like ni pauni be.
Thank you. Round of applause, please, everyone. You can still hear everyone there, please. Thank you very much. Well said. We've got our next contestant, next participant. Parents are next to God. Thank you.
Extempore speech po jo hai our topic new parents are next to God there. Fepu hai Ramai Ahachine, Allah Ramai Tepe de, Tuguza, Topit has a wish or a lot of it might the Jona casually do Ziluce, PNTM to Calatore, Zawishwaga to Lubano. Jupogola had number one parents are next to God to the illustrator Lego, parents to your high people, my boy, Allah are next to God to the Ramai Tepe de. 700 zitono Allah pogo mujuma tayla la hatiben tole experience lo hai tole experience lo ma tayla hatiben Allah pogo ma tayin sakhe de boy bible na tay sana do fepu hai hitu no ngoju ra re fepu hai hitu no ngoju ra go ze hitu no ngoju ra thoi jito sobu ju rama ma boy te go ze rama ma boy ne next to boy fepu bu boy 700 parent are next to God de divana jito hai o point ko body ko lo lego fepu hai Hitu ngoju ra thipeno ala ra my next ne thipeno people lato darka mate dino ala people poju chiza darka ala tebe tumuno people hai next to God thipeno ramani jito sobi be jito sobi pona thoma tho chole people ni jito nyape jito people chizale ala jito tago takhe jito wa tarasama people chizale duz mate din pongo boy boy ala mate dino sale julo lo chewe e sapeno jito hai for example jito hali pule in the government hai Prime Minister Narendra Modi kela, for example, di kela talajita punki hali kola patali we need to bring something. Mama pune jita we Prime Minister teveno pune jita we hek teveno jita punki kono request mati cha mahama. Tuga jita we la ke koju darkaju jita we right way teve to dino fepu hai jita nyapoju fepu jita we fepu jita paipo pumen jita nyapoga to ala jita chipule jono sobule jono sokhega de teve to den jita fepu right state de bukhe fepu so lo ja ko moe fepu lo so sa ko ala rama so lo sala jita rama chizalono lapano rama chwe Christian chwe de rata bekhe moza ha ko rama chizalono rata bekhele teve to den jita fepu ne nyave teve fepu chiza ko fepu le shi ko e tepu na fepu Rama Tefu boy Rama Repombuche, Rama Takubusa, Febu Takun, he took all your out in a touchano, Matilin Bullish Pongoy, to behind Kave Calore connect you know.
All right, that was amazing, wasn't it? Okay. Let's be a little louder, all right? Everyone's feeling cold, so let's warm everybody up by doing that. Thank you again. Okay, we've got a handful on this one. It is important to ban deforestation and wildlife hunting in our region. Explain it.
Respected judges and all the people present here, our topic, it is important to ban deforestation and wildlife hunting in our region. Explain so by deforestation cutting trees and wildlife hunting. Resoju hai ruhu ke kataju ala khovina ke kataju hai il region hi bansokoi dasa bansokoi ke liza my tadi is ruhu ke kana ke voisho no centuries wildlife centuries ke no park no pillowy centuries ke so khaye ala pillowy hu ke ban so khaye tadi no voisho no tadi hadel so khaye their countries are made so beautiful with their wildlife sanctuaries and the forests. Likewise, our country should ban deforestation and wildlife hunting. If we ban wildlife hunting and deforestation, ila no had deforestation ala wildlife hunting habide hunting so have ban so le ila mai tadi dono voishono ngalu se mai tadi dono javashono bilis je baba sang on ala hai ni mai hi panaje nile han tin so ta jo dene ga liz ni ha va ju ha rihu khana ne ngalun ha va ba ala I don't know green evergreen ngaje ha va sho ile ungoi to ile my so be I don't know haso kodu ja has darka jo ana limited in a limited way had so like ala ruhu ke hunting so je ka ha ban so no important jo then you will ha ruhu ta ju tele hi ile ni wildlife sanctuaries ke hala ha ta no it's up to us, it depends on us whether we kill them or just let them fly free and make our village beautiful. College today.
That was well done, thank you. Participant number 3, and we've got participant number 4 coming up. You can pick a topic. The need of preserving our Poumai culture. That's his topic. The need of preserving our Poumai culture.
Respected judges and everyone present here, Chu Koto Abi topic the need of preserving our Poumai culture. Idavi Jotite speaker Manas Tosun Pora, Idavi culture and ha Poumai and ha preserve so you ha darkatare. Davanu yino Idavi culture has Idavi identity and Ita Pokode. It is Itanu or Atali ima jitabi identity ka hinga la yin jitabi culture hinga ba nsu jitabi la lausa no pawa matalino jitabi pola hali par sumu ju lausa no bue supati ligi idanu ka gwan no Poumai yi ha ka ban no shiru la savetu wan dressing here dress ya pakula yin jitabi la jitabi culture jitabi dress idanu jitala jita pu Poumai bi hana bi ha jita preserve some no ida ha maintain sa no ka mun she ite that was Poumai the culture that the Kagwataway ha Jidaha 7,000 preserve some munshie you know Jidavi tribe Jidavi have an organized recognizer and fan sustains a garden. It is a Jidavi identity and a half role here Jidavi the Poumai for our Jidavi culture and have preserved some munshie, either we preserve and have so more you can either Jidavi identity and a habla. It is little money, you don't know Holo Tavejuma, Jidavi and has some money, Hara, you know, you don't know a lily summeriju, it is a lily shimuriju, it is brotherhood and a hard, the one either Hana has 7,000 preserved some munshie. It is a rabbit buju of Pu Poumai. Idavi Pu Poumai so had a Sebi had a bui and a hajida and how come way. So when the Jita set us and have preserved surgery car, it is a totally yima, Jidavi had had upon identity and have book poor, the one Jida culture and have a talima preserved circle. Tolerate.
Thank you once again. Contestant number 5. Who do we have here? Okay, participant number 5. What do we got? The role of students in reforming our society. Very interesting. A bigger shout, please. Somebody on the back, I could hear them screaming. So if you could scream louder, that would be nice.
Tsuku show buju judges my da, ala velo buju my da, our colleagues my da, our type topics in the role of students in reforming our society. Zado my maybe kekai lokai responsibility dai nini dai so zodoe Poumai society change suredoni as a Poumai Poumai litefani Poumai we he chemoju dai solo nini loser. Ini loser as a student as a to my me Poumai ni some temoju avina achichena it only Western culture or country kogitavi example. I would like to take Finland. Now Finland is one of the most peaceful country because Finland high education here we considering this century as one of the achicheni educate solare luche they suni khai no to my high opportunity pilwa jo no to my ni lead so khai vidare ala student it only has hang out doloni ile we Poumai we do pai Poumai we jai doni style ni tani no to my privilege we more ala Christian sojuma ramai church tajuma church style khai mo achicheni kakini ramai Jehovah Jishue kakini so Jehovah ru do wiju tilere Bible phoju lala ni Bible pho doluju tilere ala has hanga dolu khai ni we Poumai hi challenge so society challenge so ala society we state we nation we shada to attitude bua maili ngopung moju ini suku he awivani do he ini government he wape so government he wapo mona ngopula moy teki joju hai ka moy sni ito we society ju lolo hom biju thoshana hinevu kinangi hinevu ala ito we they give way natural resources ramani pikhaiti to hai ka kini pu usule jo ito we society pai vire doni has khere doni ito hi bubu ju hai ka kini pu yusu lai ro doju tele student mai ni nene has hanga dolu phaki ve pe Poumai hi challenge so ni hi ni lar dolu mo buju mai ta destitute my dog ala to haju my dog ngo phu mo bai shuko zo nini lar doju hai it's a vague I should say nini has jo shuko achijena hini so shuko you will love the most to the poorest and to the destitute you will be it only in example ali paula ju ito Christian mai khai bala Christian moma bula ana ju ramai so ju mai ni boy. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. With great examples, eloquently explained. Thank you. Contestant number and participant number 6. Who do we have here? What do we have? Interesting. This is quite very important actually in everybody's day-to-day life, aspect of life that we have, day in and day out. The negative impact of smartphones in students' life.
Respected judges and to you all the member present here, my topic is the negative impact of smartphones in student life. Topic we sure. Our topic ni smartphone for you one nal my lard my daivan is she na vini pole. Over smartphone have chic my ana for my don't use my don't know if I use ni so she live one she na by. Smartphone is made to save time and to make life easier. But however, the user, the one who takes control, 24 user 24 powerful and smartphone control so user mavano smartphone achuji student life he that show you problem this show you now my lord my life so she show you ruins show you that one smartphone with the smartphone connect to the internet. There is nothing we cannot get. Lord, the man you, we see you, we nisha she kago this smartphone hino ngol hoila hamwe. That is why lar the mino fan va kajuni solo mano game in la ho fan dirty way or to be honest in a way of pleasure or whatever. Tivano na my just student life my lar the chilo hoano lar graduation or course complete silo hoano chikai ve lobu ngoba chu kote. As we can see from our student life, my class at game kulu my boom he. That is all because of the misused. Ana, you don't mind kahoni full of sun, mobile phone vino. For you should say goes. There is nothing we cannot all hoila me mobile phone through the internet connected. And as we can see, this present generation in a world of computer world, the smartphone with connected to our youth life, only few are using it for a good purpose. Majority of our youth today use it only for fun, for kind of entertaining themselves. They are letting the robotic gadgets controlling them. They are not the one who is controlling the mobile or the smartphone, but the smartphone, the machines that are invented by human are controlling them. Those machines are only machines that works only by feeding. Machine you don't know recharge on shani piano Thomas Saza works you don't utilize it. That is why student, we are jobless. We jobless.
Thank you, thank you. That was well said, well done. Once again, thank you very much for your time. Participant number 7, participant number 7. And the last one to go on this. Wow, my vision for Poumai society.
Well, very good everything to ladies and gentlemen present here today. As you know, topic Poland is my vision for Poumai society. Well, our vision, in my perspective, in my express, I have so many things and I have so many visions for my Poumai as a whole. Now, Pono Shoujo, we Poumai future Takloza prosperous Supula. Number 1, education system. We Poumai no chu Lar Dumato, exam Tabumato, Lar Sango Palatugo, Poumai vision ala Poumai community ala as a whole, Poumai Naga tribe prosperous tolay, so ngoy. Point number 2, jobs. Jutele Nali Mato ala students my so many unemployed use my Tolubwe. You don't know, so go. Entrepreneurship, ala jobs are available pu bago. Ida Poumai hasang pula ali corporation so we will say Point number 3, career counseling and seminar for students. That's one in Darkai go. Ito nalin mas the most thing which we want is educating people. Ito no nalin ma ala fe Poumai student ma to no educate sa pu palar sango parago. Ito we Poumai vision prosperity vision ngopul so ya jinloche tikipano village level like ito Poumai around 78 villages boy ali no teka development over development pura digital world pasa ali loving moving teka initiative to the low la student ma alia youth ma alia as a whole villager ma taidina alili fufu logo ito tagroza vision ino Poumai vision ha vile so ya jinle choi paut de hana khabe kelore. Thank you.
Thank you very much, all the participants, and that would be all actually. We're done with Extempore, and that was fast, intellectual, very engaging actually, and thank you very much for your time once again. You may take your seats downstairs. Thank you. Now, right up after that, thank you very much. And round of applause for them, please. For all of you who are luckily here, and thank you for sticking back with us. Thank you. I can hear your applause. It's very welcome. And you're the lucky ones because we've got the most interesting show coming up for tonight, and that is a talent show. Who does not like a talent show? Everybody loves a talent show? Whoa. Yes? Amazing. Thank you. So from all the way from Myanmar to the UK to India to the US, everybody's got talent, right? And Poumai community has got talent as well. Poumai's got talent. So first of all, the participants for the Poumai's Got Talent for tonight. And the best thing is that it's been telecast live, so everybody can actually watch it at home too. In front of your television sets, in front of your phone or television sets or wherever, whichever computers, laptops, where any devices you'd like to use. And participants, I would like to request you to please come up on stage. We're about to get this started. And the most interesting and amazing part of the tonight's show. All right? So I think if you're ready, if you're prepared, I'd like to request you to please come up on stage and let's get the show on. Okay, I think I see some feet moving here. Would like to request all the participants, wherever you are, please come up on stage, so that we can get this started real quick. Our audiences have been bearing with us and also are very excited to watch you do your shows. Once again, if you're singing, if you're dancing, or if you want to surprise us with something else, that would be amazing. Okay, we've got participants coming up. Thank you for bearing with us. Please bear with us for another minute or two. Thank you again. We've got so many names, and therefore we have to decide on who to actually pick and who to let them wait for another day to show. We've been deciding, so we've got 4 participants here so far. For the judges, we have got the evergreen Rashi. All right, big round of applause. Shout out for him, please. We've got Samuel Maiba and Solomon Jo. Judges, if you're ready, if you're here, Poumai's Got Talent, and I think this is really apt. We've chosen them from all the villages and all the towns, Poumai villages and towns, to actually come and judge this Poumai's Got Talent tonight. A big round of applause for our judges as well. Thank you very much. Mr. Rashi, Mr. Samuel Maiba, Mr. Solomon Jo. Thank you again. Judges, are we ready? Are we good to go? Oh, thank you. response here? Volunteers, please. If someone could come and remove the podium so that everybody can actually take a better view. And volunteers, any volunteers? Thank you, volunteers. If we could remove this, please bear with us. Just be a few seconds. That's it. Braveson. We've got Anna Ruth. We also have KP Jenima. We can actually start tonight's entertainment for Poumai's Got Talent with Baby KS then. Oh yeah, that's what we're talking about. Round of applause for Baby KS, please. Welcome you to the stage once again. Louder, please. Thank you.
Alright, Kaisu, Jew, with judges who might all honor so on the bay. I just on a my take the have a little bit metal color pony bay. Iha Lyso, Lapona Youth and Students Organization represents right. Our students leader metohi boy. Iha talent. My shape the wish allows more bumoy, the boy. Savani ma alini. Points to buy my Lipan Lubeo, the participants super deep again, hold on it. Nello Leo, the boy. Savani eat taloy. That talent busha the Poumai, and any talently Poloy. That loser low pitch. And I Yusu Vashoni, Yusu Brai. Adone, low suro, chiporo. And a little low pitch ali, the pump, the tongue, sung on the Hello everybody. I hope all are doing great. Anyway, lovely song one of my favorite songs, You Are My Best Friend. Okay. Track, please. Your place goes on my finger. You brought love like I've never known. You gave life to our children and to me a reason to go on. You're my brain when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from troubled winds. You're my anchor in life's ocean. But most of all, you're my best friend. Inspiration, you're always strong when I'm tired and weak. I could search this whole world over, you'd still be everything that I need. You're my brain when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from troubled winds. You're my anchor in life's ocean. But most of all, you're my best friend. You're my brain when I'm hungry. You're my shelter from troubled winds. You're my anchor in life's ocean. But most of all, you're my best friend. Thank you so much.
That was amazing. Thank you very much. Excellent it was. Would have made and has made Don Williams and country proud with his amazing tonal and bass voice, actually. Thank you very much. Let's see what we have in store with the next one. Tokuzu Braveson. You may come up and take the stage. He's already popular, I see him. We've got shouter. We've got fans already. Tokuzu, stage is all yours.
Hello. Good evening, Poumai. Hello, my name is Tokuzu Braveson. I'm representing Poumai. Tungam. Where is Poumai? Now I'm going to do beatbox. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, everything you're about to hear now, the beatbox is 100% human voice. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go. Get low. Ladies and gentlemen, and 6 different songs. Listen. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sounds all together. Would you like to hear that? Here we go. It's 5. Last 6. It's Let's clap like this. Do you want to hear Jana music? Here we go. Thank you. Let's go. Thank you so much.
Oh yeah, that was amazing, wasn't it? Fantastic, fantastic, brilliant it was. I think he's got a voice machine somewhere installed inside his throat or somewhere there. He's an alien, that's for sure. He's making sounds out of God knows from where, which part of the organs he's using. That was Tokuzu Braveson. That was fantastic. Thank you again. Now we'll have W. Tobu. W. Tobu. Okay, well here's him to surprise us again. Thank you.
Thank you all the judges for giving me this opportunity. Kalashore, Jutete, Jipumana, Potoi Hukia, Hajugote, Mahajugote, Savage Zaboyuvani, Jizo, Losum all the more, dancers all the more, and now stand up comedian. Titari Pongola Jutite Kaloshurat Mahajugude Veselo Anu Zini myself Pev Chipongola so Lanu Ju Daily Topisa Lanu Topic Alini Besulemu Hakani Ju Lani Zini Paula is Honey Henny Power now. So actually I'm talented in every field. Singing, dancing like this, or I can sing throughout the night until the mornings came. I will lose Arta Papa Tolama, my Sony Kilo Gay, Kino Bukai, I'm here. She was a Lani, Diana was sure at all. And now, Nimotoni Lani, away by Pyroni, Vishomogo, La Nimotoni, understand Solovani, Koshin Nuki Lovely. Apart Lani, my son. Tidily peculiar taco fully budo. You don't last understand so well. These are Ginny Moy, our natural way. Fear and lovely sub, a pento way. Yes, Silky Manu. Ginny, that's on his Joe. Hyper Laga. Just so much Jesus. Ziga talent show, talented, very talented, best talented guitar. Poba shalom over here. Tivania, je opportunity will puye. Te cho, hona gole, my paper Lanojigo Pellihuye. Joe, Anna, Nimedoze, Putti, who can all away. Less assure, cheer polish over the Kimudia, Joe, take out. New doze, Quasa, beers also go, take out. Telephone over no, Mama, no, will. That is what I like. Yes. Love more, eat more, speak more. Eat less, speak less. Tinawe moto leji chula ji vaiji chula lomana ahani kuto to puleso ni nauchi polu holai the boy adiwe jini pore jio topego chia popule to chigo chia pochile ya jini pore jo ji toli pongo sole jini Jogonoi Veloi, my daughter, Chili requesting also. You don't understand so well. They Lee highly Tagole, Tagoiso. Kosu, Lasso money, or Hasu hang on money, we representative so on, say that we were. Dinas, you don't understand so well. This shows a microphone and hello, Joe. Program starts to alright. So there's a new, much life, much fairly new. Fully new, high value, the because sharp is sharp, if you are all. Take on a value, we will. So that I more. Nibini part, I tell more, as understand so well. And lastly, not but the final is starts to talk like that. Jesus, Lucia, talent to school, go there. Schooling to go there any function thoroughly because Jesus lot talent facial function it is a darka now. Gene function darka mumu. Function needs me, and I don't need functions. When there is functions, I hate functions, but people needs me. That is what I hate. And Joe, you don't look in over Lulasson Walamsona. Like you said, boring the brought up in country. Have you ever seen wonders of my heart? Colorado. Again time. Once more. Let me sing one song. They will so abuse you. Papa like the Nizapamai. Allah in it to you by Nibaya Tuesday. Wait your word, take I have Sukilavu being all the way came and now. My Lucigo Luchalini Lu line Lisuguire Tenor Alini Sugulaway. Now, Jini Lucigo, Daily, best tenor, SP or Daily, Tidini, Luchalin Kolukilaway. Talent show, talented, very talented, and best talented, and most talented people. Sarnama representatives, Jumusa. Jire, Jo, Titali introduce Wesulema. Le sol tomor, le lani. My pepper no forget. My pepper moya dore. So we get. Jisa apuza tse. Apuso. Ji people back canva the lens. Apuso jodo people per moye. Puyo up jia tse. Teo apu tse. Ana. Sati kimani. Jo jinu. Naveloso. Mutsa show. Yani. Ta is so Jesus some more do performance do daily nimala understand so well just so much in naloe so much in navelote jidu palo jidu pamozuni lani najini talent show bere najini talent to bere jila super pull luva da the money or dev chila or video chila or de la lule rabuga ta toha lo ba me ti veve jo gospel luva da so ke vere gospel luva da so veve da ka more na so de mani so ba hai ta toha lo vere te le ta go ba for ke lo le re music da bura dance song wala so music da hare mogo hello ida song wala next time Poumai PNTM we conference with you go before I die if I live I will perform again once more. Thank you.
Thank you so much. The function needs you, and that's why you're here, and you entertain us the same way. So thank you very much once again. You entertain us truly. We have now Anna Ruth. Anna Ruth, if you can, please come and take the stage. Thank you very much.
Good evening, one and all. I'm Anna Ruth, and I'm representing Saranamai Kaiko, serial number 4. Title of my song is Power to Redeem.
to see with every morning light. Again we are with thee. Rejoice, O child of God. Lift your eyes to see with every morning light. Again we are with thee. With bread and brings the dead to life, words that pierce the dark with light. Only by the blood are we set free. Mercy strong to carry shame and nailed it to a tree. You alone have the power to redeem. You alone have the power to redeem. Oh, you alone have the power to redeem. Praise God.
Thank you, Anirudh. Round of applause for Anirudh as well, please. Guys, and we have, come on, we can do better than that. Let's clap for Anirudh. And we have the last but not the least, of course, a wonderful contestant for tonight, a participant, of course, to show the talent. Good night to you two guys. KP Jenima. KP Jenima, please take your time. Show us your talent. Show us what you got.
Hello, check. Hello.
Wish you could. The Kubuju use my dog, allow my wishing color sure, so to tell Avo Hanahiza. Awi talent high, low sojoe, low pitch apology, high pitch apology, and I awi talent. Chu high in your low song only. Pray with no proof anyone could hear. In our hearts, the hopeful song we barely understood. We are not afraid, although we know there's much to fear. We were moving mountains long before we knew we could. There can be miracles when you believe. The hope is real, it's hard to give. Who knows what miracles you can achieve when you believe, somehow you will. You will when you believe. Ooh, in this time of fear, where praise so often proving vain, hope seems like the summer about to safely float away. Yet now I'm standing here, my heart's so full I can't explain. Speaking faith and speaking words I never thought I'd say. There can be miracles when you believe. The hope is real, it's hard to keep. Who knows what miracle you can achieve when you believe, keep you to your feet. But when the blinded by your pain, God see your way, come to the end. Small but we silent voice, say hope is very near. The hope is real, it's hard to feel. Who knows what miracle you can achieve when you believe? Somehow you will. Somehow you will. You will when you believe. You will when you believe. Just believe. Gallery.
Woo! Reminded us of Mariah Carey or Celine Dion, of course. Thank you very much, KP Janema. That was amazing. Enthralling us tonight with your beautiful, lovely songs and your voice, of course. Thank you so much for your time. We had a beatboxer, we had a stand-up comedian, we had singers, of course. That was amazing tonight. We had Don Williams too, of course, by the way. So thank you very much. You may leave the stage or take your seats, of course. Thank you very much. And thank you. Round of applause for them once again. The largest, biggest round of applause for tonight, please. And for yourselves too. For yourselves too. We're done for the night, of course. And I'd like to, as we depart for tonight, of course, and prepare for tomorrow, I'd like to just read out quickly the programs for tomorrow, the first part of the first session for tomorrow. So that would be requesting everyone to please reach here on time and enjoy and actually reach here on time, please, and also join us like you did today. Thank you again for your presence. We have the cultural session starting tomorrow, 15th of January, Wednesday. Day 3 it would be. We would have the chief guest as Sri L. Diko, Minister PhED, Printing and Stationery Government of Manipur. Guest of honor, Dio Nuku, ex-Minister Government of Nagaland. Functional President, Dr. Alexander Pao, ex-MLA 47 Karang constituency. Moderator would be Jay Hilson and K.S. Chauvine. Invocation would be from P.K. Sol Pola, President Poumai Naga Catholic May, PNCM. Welcome note from Kozuteo, General Secretary PNTM. Intro and presentation S.M. Hobson, Secretary COC. The greetings from President United Naga Council UNC, President Naga Students Federation NSF. We would have the folk song and cultural dance competition tomorrow too. Speech from the guest of honor, a special number from Poumai artist. Speech from the chief guest, declaration of the results as we had the competition that we had tonight. Vote of thanks from K.S. Rosane, co-convener, core committee. Once again, folks, thank you very much. Good night to you and have a warm evening ahead, a warm night ahead. Thank you once again. Signing out. All right, good night. Good night, thank you. Tore. Mabel, Mamte Mabel. Announcement here, we found a key. Gari chabi lingolore. Bueno. Gari chabi. Car key, I think this is, this looks SUV, more like the SUV. We have announcement, anybody who might have lost the car key, please come and collect it on stage. Anyone who might have lost a car key, anyone who's got a car, please search your pockets. If you don't find your car keys, it's right here. Would request everyone who would be participating tomorrow, the units, the contestants, the participants, whoever it is that's coming in tomorrow, you would need to register yourself at the hall's entrance. Register yourself at the hall's entrance. And also would request everyone to come in cultural attire if you have. Would really love to see everyone in cultural attire. It would really do us a world of good. It's lovely to watch, see, and also to behold as well. So would request once again, participants for tomorrow, you would need to register yourself at the hall's entrance before you actually enter the hall or before you partake in the events. Thank you once again. Good night.